Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone microphone not working. So first of all, go ahead into your settings and make sure once we scroll a little bit down right here, we find our microphone basically. Make sure, let me find it right here. If you couldn't find it right here, just go ahead into your content and privacy restrictions by going to your screen time. In the screen time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the content and privacy restrictions and make sure that you toggle this one on the content and privacy restrictions. So I'm going to scroll a little bit down. I'm going to see the microphone. Make sure that your microphone is allowed to be used in multiple apps. So you can see right here, I can use it for many apps. That means that the microphone will work. All right, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.